The fourth industrial revolution, IR 4.4, is characterized by the rapid development and adoption of new technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and big data. These technologies are transforming the way we work, and they are creating new challenges and opportunities for the business. One of the key challenges of IR 4.0 is the need for workers to develop new skills. In the past, workers could get by with a relatively narrow range of skills. However, in the IR 4.0 era, workers need to be able to think critically, solve problems, and learn new things quickly. One of the best ways to develop problem-solving skills is to learn how to ask good questions. When you ask good questions, you are able to gather information, identify the root cause of the problem, and develop creative solutions. Here are some tips for asking good questions. Be specific. The more specific your questions are, the more helpful the answers will be. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage people to think critically and share their ideas. Ask follow-up questions. Follow-up questions help you to clarify information and get more details. Be respectful. When you ask questions, be respectful of the other person's time and also expertise. Here is a case study of how asking good questions helped to solve a problem in the workplace. A company was experiencing a high rate of customer churn. The company's customer service team was struggling to resolve customer issues in a timely manner. As a result, customers were becoming frustrated and leaving the company. The company decided to implement a new training program for its customer service team. The training program focused on teaching customer service representatives how to ask good questions. After the training program, customer service representatives were able to gather more information about customer issues. This information helped them to identify the root cause of the problems and develop more effective solutions. As a result of the training program, the company's customer churn rate decreased significantly. Customers were more satisfied with the company's customer service, and they were less likely to leave the company. This case study shows how asking good questions can help to solve problems in the workplace. When you ask good questions, you are able to gather information, identify the root cause of a problem, and develop creative solutions. These skills are essential for success in the fourth industrial revolution. One of the key challenges of IR 4.0 is the need for workers to have strong problem-solving skills. In the past, workers could often rely on their experience and intuition to solve problems. However, in the era of IR 4.0, problems are becoming increasingly complex and require a more systematic approach to problem solving. One of the most effective ways to develop strong problem-solving skill is to learn how to ask questions. When you ask questions, you are gathering information that can help you to understand the problem and to generate potential solutions. There are a few keys to keep in mind when asking questions. First, it is important to be specific. The more specific your questions are, the more helpful the information you gather. Second, it is important to be open-minded. Don't assume that you already know the answer to the question. Be willing to consider all possibilities. Let's consider a case study to illustrate how asking questions can help you to solve problems. Imagine that you are a manager at a manufacturing plant. You have recently received a complaint from a customer that one of your products is defective. You need to quickly identify the problem and find a solution so that you can prevent other customers from being affected. The first step is solving the problem is to gather information. You can do this by asking questions of the customer, the production team, and the quality control team. Some of the questions you might ask include: what is the defect? When did the defect occur? How many products are affected? What is the potential impact of the defect on the customer? What steps have you already been taken to identify the cause of the defect? Once you have gathered this information, you can begin to generate potential solutions. Some of the solutions you might consider include recalling the affected products, repairing the affected products, offering refunds to customers who have purchased the affected products, changing the manufacturing process to prevent future defects. The best solutions will depend on the specific circumstances of the case. However, by asking questions and gathering information, you can better understand the problem and identify potential solutions. In conclusion, the era of IR 4.0, workers need to have strong problem-solving skills. One of the most effective ways to develop these skills is to learn how to ask questions. When you ask questions, you are gathering information that can help you to understand the problem and to generate potential solutions. By asking questions, you can become a more effective problem solver and contribute to the success of your business.